Details are coming out in the criminal case against Larry Millete. The Chula Vista father is still in jail, accused of murdering his wife, Maya.
As CBS 8's David Gottfredson reports, the new information comes as 2 lawsuits filed by relatives of the accused killer have been transferred to federal court.
Ricky Lincoln and Kathy Fredericks, the uncle and aunt of Larry Millete, filed a lawsuit in state court earlier this year alleging Chula Vista police violated their civil rights when officers served a search warrant in April 2021 on their Encanto home. They were searching for Larry Milliete's gun parts, the lawsuit said. That lawsuit, as well as a similar lawsuit filed by Milliete's parents, were both transferred to federal court this week. Buried in the court filings is new information in the criminal case against Larry Millete. Police officers took not only Milliete's gun parts, but also guns that plaintiff Lincoln owned that plaintiff Lincoln had inherited from his father, and a freezer from the kitchen that Lincoln had borrowed from Larry Millete. Prosecutors allege Millete murdered his wife, Maya Millete, and dumped her body at a remote location. Her remains have not been found.
It's our position that the children were present when their father murdered their mother in the home and took steps to hide and then dispose of her body while the children were at home.
In court Wednesday, a judge ruled Larry Millete can resume communication from jail with his 3 children, ages 5, 11, and 12. I pulled the case file, which included a report from the court-appointed guardian for the minors. The children all wish to have contact with their father, the report said. It is my opinion that it would be appropriate for the children to have contact with their father through letter writing only. The 41-year-old father was recently found mentally competent to stand trial. His defense attorney said in court papers that her client was suffering great pain after being court-ordered a year ago not to have any contact with his kids. Defendant has been engulfed by anguish and distress. He has experienced brain fog, decreased mental energy and sharpness, inability to focus, memory impairments, mental fatigue. He is overpowered with excess sorrow and mental pain. The first time the public will get to see evidence in this case will be during the preliminary hearing, and that is currently set for January. At the Chula Vista Courthouse, David Gottfredson, CBS 8.